Okay, so in the last video, I mentioned that I would be working on cleaning out my garden. I have weeds back there and some vine, and I got to figure out, because I'll show you in a minute, but my neighbor, they have their hedge and they have stuff growing on their side, and then we have a fence, this wire fence, and it's growing onto my side. I don't mind having some growing on my side, but it just needs to be a little more, in control. I'm going to show you a little bit what's going on in my garden right now, just before we start the work. Quick tour. So everything has grown lots. Look at this here. Oh, we have a sleeping bee. Oh no, he's eating. It is so tall. I would say this is about 1, 2, 3 feet tall, this yarrow. So I'm not going to do a huge tour. I just want to show you, hang on, I'll back up. I just want to show you what everything's looking like. This is October 19. And this is what everything's looking like. This is my brand new butterfly bush that I just planted about a week and a half ago. So this is what everything's looking like. Lots of the flowers are, dying out, but a lot of them are still vibrant and just alive. Look at this catmint. It's just still so alive. And I have some seeds too that I want to collect. I did collect some of the seeds. I'm creating a video. I don't know, maybe I will have posted it before this or after this video, but I'm going to be collecting all the seeds in my garden for next year. Wisteria is dying out. Okay, let's get to the work that I'm talking about. Look at this back here. As you know, I have an auto root back there. See that? Hear that? And back here feels like a lost cause. This mess back here, as you see, so I'm going to show you my fence. Hang on, where can I see the fence? Can you see the fence? The fence is like, it's all brown. That's the fence, okay? This is an old fence. And there are trees back there. If you go down here, the tree is on the other side of the fence. This belongs to my neighbor. And it's just coming out on this side of the fence. And look, there's just dead vine. Look at this vine here. Dead vine, dead stuff. And I just want to clean this up, get rid of a lot of this stuff here, so that I just need it to be cleaner, So I got to do that all the way to, I have all that. I don't know what I'm going to do about this here, because what happened is we had a cedar hedge. See the hedges here? Not this one, not this. This here. This was a whole cedar hedge, and as you know, I ripped out a good portion of it. It was being attacked by vine. There was so much grapevine and so much vine. I'm going to start working. I'm going to do the fast forward thing, and I'm just going to clear some out just to show you what I'm going to do there. Okay, so ouch, I just scratched myself on my roses. I gotta tie that to the arbor today. Okay, so I took down most of the vine that was climbing up. This is a major cleanup, guys. Oh, I gotta get bags for this. Oof, look at all that. Okay, there's a lot more cleaning up to do. So I got a lot out, and I'm gonna come and clean some more because there's a lot. Look at this. It's just so much. I didn't realize what I got myself into. This is so much work. So I ended up cutting up all of the vines that I cut. I cut them all up and put them in bags. I filled up 2 huge bags, but I'm not done. I'm gonna have to rake all of this. And there's a lot of vine that made its way, like it's hanging on to the grass here or soil. Well, I got a lot of the vines out. I want to keep this, so this is my neighbor's, but I'm gonna take this part out. I might have to get my chainsaw, my little mini chainsaw. So for now, I'm just gonna do it with these, and then I'll get in probably a little deeper, like lower, I mean. There. You know, I want to create a nice backdrop. It's nice to have the beautiful garden, but the backdrop in the back is really important also. I'm gonna have to take I don't know what kind of bush or tree or whatever this is, but I am going to check that out and let you know. So just gotta keep moving on with these vines. I filled four bags filled with vine that I cut up. And I'm also cleaning up the bush, like cutting off dead branches, just making it look good. Anything coming up on my side that I don't want, I am cutting. You know what? Why not? Let's do this. So, because this branch is pretty big. I love this little chainsaw. It's from SEESII. It's a 6-inch. It's fairly easy to use. So I'm seeing here, for now, I'm gonna cut this part off because this is dead. It's dead anyway. I do want to keep what's on top. You know, it had a tough time. It hasn't been trimmed or cared for like in 15 years. I've been here 15 years and I never really did anything back here. But now I am. I'm gonna take care of it. Now I'm gonna take this off here. Watch it, Jace. This isn't part of the tree. That's fine. Guys, what a project. But I promise you, it's gonna look fantastic. I don't think I'll ever be able to completely eradicate the vine. This here project, for me to clean this up, I'm gonna have to stop here because there's just way too much to do. So I'm gonna stop filming. I'm gonna try to keep cleaning a bit. And in another video, I'll show you where I'm at. So this was it today, guys. I just wanted to share a bit, show you the troubles of vine, how that can really drive you nuts. And you gotta keep on it, you gotta take care of it, which is why I really gotta take care of my wisteria. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye for now, and keep gardening.